Step out at a diagonal. Bend the knee and then move the weight forward and bring the back foot round. So the right arm is in line with the right leg. Extend the arm. Most common mistake is to hold it too close to the body. And the left arm or hand must be opposite the right knee. From here, I'm going to turn my waist even more and turn my palms over so that this hand will point down, this one will point up, the palm. But it's going to follow my center line, watch. So again, the elbow is not going to move. And this hand is going to stay basically where it is. I'm just turning my center further. And then the left leg comes forward. So now the feet are shoulder width apart. The left foot is pointing straight ahead, the right foot at a slight diagonal. No weight yet. And remember, turn your waist until it locks here. So, not quite wide enough. The foot should be more here at a slight angle, about 30 degrees. Towards the corner, and enough space so there's shoulder width between the feet. Okay, Michelle will now do that again, but better this time. Step out to the side. Now sink and turn your waist. Yes, good. Step wide. Not quite long enough. Okay. Now turn your waist in, hold the ball and bring your left foot parallel with your right. Good. Well, that's okay.
It's not okay.